I'm putting sand to make a mound in the bake oven. This is wet sand. Put it up here. We're going to make a nice round mound here and then put the bricks over that. And when the dome is hardened, we take out the sand so you can put the bread in.
What's at the back there?
This is the chimney. This is the opening for the air to come in, and it goes straight up, and we'll have a flue in there. Oh, hello. This is the mound we're going to use as a form to lay the bricks on. We use a fine sand, and this is all shaped by hand, all by sight. You have to make it so it just looks even on either side. Put a little water on it to pack it down. This has to be wet sand to start with. And it covers the back hole, covers the front. And the keystone will go right across the top.
What's this in the back?
This is the chimney. There's an opening down here. When we have the fire in the oven, this will allow the smoke to go up, and this chimney will be quite high. Oh, hi. This is the dome. It's half done. See what I had to do? Each brick kind of goes up slightly canted all the way up to the center. And here you have to round it off. So I had to use some little bricks here. What I'm doing is giving this a nice covering here with a little bit of cement. That's just to ensure that the bricks won't fall in. And it's good insulation. So the bake oven can have many, many years of use. Well, they did the foundation for us, what, a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, they did the whole base.
We came yesterday.
What did you do the stonework yesterday?
No, just the top.
Oh, just the top.
Yeah, they did all the stonework. So we had to dig out about 4 inches and then start the dome. And we put a floor in. Then we built this and that, and now we're doing the dome today.
heat that up, you can put one charge of bread in it, and then you'll have to heat it again. Huh?
Well, you can do like 16 loaves of bread in there at one time.
Oh yeah.
And then as the heat goes down, then you can put in pies,
Oh, yeah.
and then cake, and then cookies, and then yeah, anything. You name it.
Temperature be for bread.
Hot.
450.
Hot.
Hot.
Well, he puts his hand in for 6 seconds, and before you draw it out,
And if it burns the hair off, you know it's hot.
you can tell. Yeah. Yeah, that's how they do it. And the more you work with them, you just know you know if it's hot enough. That's got some cement down there at the bottom. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Couldn't get through the cement. That's better.
And
There.
what are you doing here?
I'm finishing off
All
the,
patched up, huh?
yeah, finishing off the keystone here. So that'll be tight. And you put on some mud, rub it in. Yeah, she's domed over.
Alright.
Over the bricks I put a thin layer of cement, and over that a thick layer of clay for insulation. The cement will help keep the bricks in place, and the clay will act as a cement to keep the heat in. This is just regular field clay. Also, if the weather gets in, this can be replaced before it gets down to the bricks.